Let's go, everyone. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing this Supreme hat. So this Supreme hat is the Cordura Riptop S logo 6-panel in the fresh color of white. It's gonna be, you see the S for Supreme on the front. You got the Cordura advanced fabrics. It feels really comfortable just through this bag. All right. This just came in the mail. Let's open this up. All right, here we go. Wow, so this is really comfortable material, this Cordura material. Really like it. It is, like they say, advanced fabrics. I can tell why. Designed for living, built to last. All right, so 6-panel. Oh, cool. Has the Supreme in black. You could adjust it back here. Cordura over here. And the white on white. So I thought this was pretty cool. More subtle than the other colors of this hat. Let me know what you think of this hat in the comments below. Hope you're all doing well. And see you all next time. Later.